Good afternoon, my name is Ahmed Mustafa, and I'm the president of BioSpherix, a company proudly based here in the metropolis of Parish, New York. I'd like to thank the village mayor, the town supervisor in the back for coming, a representative Assemblyman Barkley's office for being here, and certainly all of you guys, a lot of our BioSpherix team, as well as the teachers from the science department here in APW. So thank you very much. Over 30 years ago, our founder, Randy Yerden, pioneered the development of the first device capable of precisely controlling oxygen levels in an incubator. This simple innovation revealed a critical gap in cell processing technology. Existing methods were unable to provide cells with physiologically relevant conditions. This realization became the cornerstone of the BioSpherix platform and the start of the cytocentric era. Addressing this critical need led to the creation of the Xvivo system, a modular and portable aseptic space designed to envelop entire protocols in a continuously controlled, optimal environment. The introduction of this groundbreaking technology has catalyzed transformative advancements in drug design, medicine, and cell therapies. Users have experienced revolutionary improvements in their data by processing cells within a fully physiologically relevant environment for the first time, marking a profound shift in scientific and medical capabilities. To ensure all the great work that is being done around the world in the Xvivo and similar systems can continue, we need to ensure there's a workforce trained in the use of specialized equipment such as ours. And that is why we are here today. The Xvivo Ed was created to ensure that any student can experience science in a safe manner. Whether it's a student already enamored with biology or a student who isn't sure what biology is and is too apprehensive to find out, I feel we have an obligation to let each and every student explore and understand what science is about. The Xvivo Ed will help teachers feel comfortable allowing students to perform experiments that they may have been previously reluctant to due to concerns of contamination or just not having the right equipment in hand. What is equally, if not more important, is that the Xvivo Ed should allow all students to safely take part in any experiments that they may otherwise not have been able to. The soft-sided glove fronts will let children who have motor, control, or other physical challenges conduct experiments without the risk of hitting their heads against a glass-fronted cabinet. By having 4 pairs of gloves, teachers can work side by side with students or allow students to work with each other, all while giving teachers and other students visibility to all that is going on. Whether it's a high school student or a graduate trying to pivot to a new career, the Xvivo Ed will give anyone that wants to experience hands-on science the ability to do so in a safe, controlled environment. I'd like to thank Superintendent Rifen and her staff for helping us refine the Xvivo Ed design and curriculum. I first met the superintendent in October, on the 18th to be precise. Over the course of less than 4 months, we went from introductions to product design, curriculum design, production, and today to launch in under 4 months. That's pretty amazing. Superintendent Rifen and her team's support and guidance has been incredibly valuable, and for that we owe them all a debt of gratitude, so thank you. We are pleased to have the first Xvivo Ed placed in our hometown school district, the Altmar-Parish Williamstown Central School District. We are confident that this will be the first of many collaborations with the district, its staff, and its students as we work together to develop products that will enable all students to experience science the way it was meant to be, hands-on, not only at APW, but throughout New York and the United States. Thank you also to the BioSpherix team, many of whom are present here today, several of whom are parents of kids at the APW district. Without your hard work and creativity, we would not be here today. I would now like to turn over the podium to Austin Wheelock, Executive Director of Operation Oswego County, for some comments before we hear from Superintendent Rifen, and then formally turn over the first Xvivo Ed to her and the APW School District.
So my name is Austin Wheelock. I'm the Executive Director of Operation Oswego County and the CEO of the County of Oswego Industrial Development Agency. We've been working with BioSpherix since, I believe, 2012, when they originally moved their business here to the village of Parish in the former elementary school. The first time I saw one of these units, it reminded me of The Simpsons when Homer has his hands in the thing, and I didn't know. And then I learned how technologically advanced this system is and the great things that it allows people to do around the world. It's a modular mini clean room that allows you to do things that typically you would need multi-million-dollar clean rooms to do. So it's amazing, this technology, and the fact that the school district here will now have it. I want to thank Mr. Ahmed Mustafa and his team at BioSpherix for donating this cutting-edge piece of equipment to APW for the benefit of the students here. Also want to thank Altmar-Williamstown-Parish Superintendent Rifen and the staff here for accepting this equipment and partnering with BioSpherix. It's a great opportunity for students to have access to this cutting-edge cell incubation equipment that is designed and manufactured right here in Parish that will help students prepare for STEM careers and create future scientists and engineers. In economic development, we strive to create opportunities for growth in our communities, so it is wonderful to see local advanced manufacturing and biotech companies collaborating with educators to provide the best tools and equipment to teach our students who are the key to our future success. Once again, on behalf of Oswego County and our many partners and stakeholders, thank you for entering this partnership and shared vision to improve the experience of local students and better preparing them for STEM careers and pathways. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome. It's a truly exciting day for the students and the entire community of the Altmar-Parish-Williamstown Central School District. I'm Dr. Naomi Rifen, Superintendent of APW, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be standing here alongside Mr. Ahmed Mustafa, CEO of BioSpherix, and Austin Wheelock, Executive Director of Operation Oswego County. First, I want to extend a warm welcome to all of you. This event wouldn't be possible without the support of our entire community. We're honored to have representatives from our local, county, and state governments alongside our incredible teachers, students, parents, and school board members. We also want to welcome our local businesses, associations, and members of the media. Thank you for joining us for this momentous occasion. Your presence here today underscores the importance of investing in our students' future and embracing innovative approaches to education. I'd also like to express my sincere gratitude to the BioSpherix staff and to the company for their incredible generosity and vision. This partnership is a testament to the power of collaboration between businesses and educational institutions. BioSpherix's commitment to our students is truly commendable, and we are deeply appreciative of their investment in our community's future. We are so excited to be the first district to launch the Xvivo Ed, a revolutionary teaching tool. The Xvivo Ed is more than just a piece of equipment. It's a gateway to the world of scientific discovery for our students. It represents a paradigm shift in how we teach biology and biotechnology, providing hands-on opportunities that were previously unimaginable in a traditional classroom setting. The Xvivo Ed directly addresses our district's commitment to providing relevant and engaging learning experiences. It empowers our students to explore the fascinating world of cytotechnology and biotech, offering them a real taste of what it looks like and what it would be like to work in these dynamic fields. Imagine our students collaborating in small groups, practicing sterile techniques, and conducting experiments with this cutting-edge technology. This is a game changer for how we teach science here at APW. This is real-world application happening right here in our classrooms. This device fosters collaborative learning by allowing students to work together, mirroring the collaborative nature of scientific research. The Xvivo Ed's streamlined and efficient design prioritizes safety, separating students from harmful reagents while creating ideal conditions for microbial growth, a key element in advanced biotech studies. And perhaps most importantly, it empowers workforce development. By providing students with the opportunity to practice sterile techniques and develop essential laboratory skills in a realistic setting, The Xvivo Ed effectively prepares them for future study and careers in science. We are incredibly excited about the potential of the Xvivo Ed to transform science education here at APW. And to ensure its full potential, I'm pleased to announce that educators at APW will receive training to maximize the system's impact in the classroom, ensuring students can fully engage with this advanced technology. This professional development will equip our teachers with the expertise to seamlessly integrate the Xvivo Ed into our curriculum. Truly enriching and transformative learning experiences will be happening for our students. This partnership with BioSpherix is a perfect example of what can be achieved when we work together to support our students. It demonstrates a shared commitment to providing them with the skills and the knowledge that they need to be successful in the 21st century. We are embarking on a new era of science education here at APW, and I couldn't be more excited for what the future holds. Thank you for being here today.
Wow, what a testament of what can happen when collaboration happens, effective communication. It's so heartwarming to hear how fast this was developed. Congratulations to everyone involved. My name's Jody Frawley. I'm with Dale Carnegie of Central New York, but I'm here representing the Greater Oswego Fulton Chamber of Commerce as a volunteer ambassador. And we'd love to present to you both, everyone involved here. On behalf of the Greater Oswego Fulton Chamber of Commerce, congratulations on your new product, on the tremendous generosity giving this to the APW School District, and well done. Congratulations all around.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Yes.
much.